Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz. Welcome to another video. And in this one, we're going to talk about how to make over $1,000 online, even if you never made any money online before. Now, what I'm going to show you today is a simple method that I've used in the past to make money online when I first got started. I didn't have any experience. I just simply found something that worked. And now I want to share it with you. Hopefully, if you're struggling online, if you're looking for something that can actually work for you, this will work. Now, this is a method that you can do from anywhere in the world. You don't have to be an expert or anything. All you have to do is follow simple directions. Now, what is this method exactly? Basically is that you work with small businesses either locally or around the world that are looking to get more exposure for their brand using video specifically. So I would contact this local businesses like carpet cleaning services and dentists and chiropractors and businesses usually that you find in your local neighborhood. Now, these businesses usually they like to spend money on advertising, so they want to get people to go to their website and actually see what they offer. So what I did is I created a simple little 1 minute to 2 minute videos using special software that allowed me to create videos in about 5 to 10 minutes. I would create these videos that look very professional, and I would send those videos to local businesses saying, hey, I just made this video for you. Let me know if you like it, and we can talk from there. And the businesses, not all of them, but if you reach out to a few businesses per day, you'll likely get 1 or 2 responses per day. And they would actually reply back saying, hey, I love the video. How can we work together? And this is where you actually go and sell an actual service, meaning that you would actually create using the same software that you use in the beginning to get into the door, basically. Because a lot of people, you'll find that they'll try to sell you right away instead of just bringing value first. If you're asking someone for money right in the beginning, you're gonna be just thrown into a pile of people who are just asking for money right away instead of just bringing value. So what you want to do is you want to offer value, offer something that really looks good, looks professional, and at the same time, you're gonna build a relationship with that business owner. That's exactly what I did. Most of the businesses that I reached out to, they would actually reach out and say, yeah, I want the video, and let me know what else you can offer. And actually, I created a simple follow-up process where I would create a custom video about their business, and I'll actually rank that video on YouTube, and they would be happy as hell to pay me for that video, even a monthly fee for that video just sitting on YouTube on the first page of YouTube. So that's exactly what I did. I'm going to show you the entire process of how that works in this video. And if you enjoy this video, if you find value, all I ask is that you subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on my future videos. So let's jump right in. The first thing that I usually did was I would go on Google and I would type whatever business came to mind. In this case, I use this example, carpet cleaning. Now, when you type carpet cleaning, doesn't matter where you are, Google would actually show you specific ads. As you can see, it would show you paid ads. That means people who are actually paying money to display their ads on Google. These ads are not cheap. They're paying maybe $2 to $3 per click on these spots for local businesses. So you can do this for pretty much any city. So if you type, like, let's say carpet cleaning, and you type carpet cleaning, whatever your city name is, you'll find a bunch of companies advertising their business and services for that specific niche. So I would do that. And in this case, what I did is very simple. You can see that there's a specific, the first one that pops out, there's the name of the company right there. So I would go on Google and type the name of the company. The first thing that I noticed is that they don't have a video on the first page of Google, but they also have a lot of Google reviews, which is a good thing. And I'm going to explain to you why. If the page actually has a Google review, that means they're actually interested in doing advertising. They're willing to actually go out there and advertise their business and services because they want to attract more clients. So after you do that, you can go and check out their website. In this case, I found something. I found that they had a contact page. Now, the contact page is a good thing. The reason why you want a website or a business owner with a contact page is if you actually reached out to the business via their contact page, they're more likely to actually check their email and reply to your email instead of just writing to reaching out on Facebook or reaching out via some other way, because they most likely check their inbox every single day. So that's one tip to keep in mind. If you find a business that you want to do a video for, then you can try to find a website or business that has a contact page that you can actually reach out to them, or find an email address that you can reach out to them. The other thing that you will need to do is you will need to find if they have a listing on YouTube, because you don't want to do all this process and then figure out that they already have a YouTube channel with videos ranking on the first page. So what I did is very simple. I found the name of the business, and I did not find, I located their city, which was Lehigh Acres, and I did not find any YouTube videos for their company on the first page of YouTube. So that's a good thing. That's what you want to do, because if you find that, that means they're not actually doing any type of YouTube marketing whatsoever or video marketing. So you're jumping in already with an opportunity to offer them something that they don't have. So what type of videos have I actually created for this, for different companies? And in the past, I'm going to show you a real example of a video that I created for a specific company. This was another carpet cleaning business. I mean, you can do this with pretty much anyone or any type of business that you can think of. And what I did right here is I grabbed some of the Google reviews and I actually put them on the video. The video is about 30 seconds long. And would you believe me that this video actually took about 2 to 5 minutes to make? And you can make this video as easily as using a software. Now, this is the software that I use. It's called VideoMaker FX. I'm going to put a link in the description to the video if you want to check it out. Basically, you create a template. All you have to do is just replace the text of those templates, add a little music, and then you can export and you can upload that video on YouTube. You can do, you can preview the project, you can add music, you can add text, you can add animation, and it really, what it does is it comes out as a really professional looking video. Now you can spend more time on it if you want to make it really professional. You can make the video longer if you want. This was enough to get the business interested to hear me, what I had to offer. Once I actually created the video, what I did is I actually uploaded the video to YouTube, and voila, the video was ranking on the first page of Google. But not only that, it was also ranking on the first page of YouTube. By just simply creating a simple little video using their Google reviews, I would actually create the video using the software. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes to make. I would upload the video on YouTube and optimize the video for that specific business reviews. For example, in this case, if your company's name is XYZ Carpet Cleaning, I would create the video with the keywords in mind, XYZ Carpet Cleaning Reviews. It would actually just optimize and putting it on the tags, description, the title. It would actually rank the video on the first page of YouTube and sometimes Google. So that was a plus, as you can see in this example. So once I had that, I would reach out to the actual company via their contact page or email, and I would actually reach out via using this template. And let me show you what that template. I'm gonna put the entire template for you to copy. Now you can modify that template, you can edit it. I wouldn't suggest to actually copy this exact word by word, because a lot of people are going to watch this video and most likely if everyone uses the same thing, then it will no longer work. So you would have to change a few things to make sure that it's unique. Now I made a video about, and I would put the business name that would instantly grab their attention. And I would say something like, hi, my name is Lester. I'm a video marketing specialist. Now in that time, I actually didn't have a lot of experience creating videos or using YouTube SEO or YouTube marketing or any of that. But you need to actually say, hey, I'm a video marketing specialist. If you consider that you know how to build the small videos and actually upload into YouTube and all that, then that's more than enough that what they know, because they're not into video marketing. So I stumble upon your many positive reviews online and notice that you are not using that social proof in your marketing. Now, keep in mind that if you find a company has a lot of reviews, most likely you'll find 5-star reviews. You take all those 5-star reviews and you put them in a video. That is social proof. That's a video that they can use on social media. They can use it on Instagram. They can use it on Facebook. So that's social proof for a company. So I made this video, which ranks, by the way, ranks number 1 on YouTube for their company name reviews. Most of the time, once you actually optimize the video just by putting their business names, putting reviews, using it on the description, on the tags, you can take that video and it would actually rank on the first page of YouTube. So I would send them a link to that specific video and I would say, please let me know what you think. That's it. I'm not trying to sell them anything. I just want to get a response. Sometimes most people, some businesses actually responded, some didn't. Now, if you wait 7 days and nothing happens, then you can simply just delete the video. Now, remember, using a software, you can it takes 2 to 3 minutes to make a video. Or if you want to wait a little bit longer, if you want to wait 30 days to see if the business actually responds, it's a matter of numbers. The more videos you create, the more businesses you actually reached out to, the more likely you are to get a response. So I would wait a few days, and if they actually responded something with, hey, I love the video, can we keep the video, can we use the video? And I would say, hey, hi, whoever actually responded, I'm super happy that you liked the video. I can send you the raw video file for you to upload to your YouTube channel or use on Facebook, completely free. I'm not charging anything for that. Now, the video I made you already ranks on the first page of YouTube. Now, I'm letting them know that not only did I create the video for them, but it's also ranking on YouTube. So that's something to keep in mind. I also noticed that you're not ranking on YouTube for local business category plus city. So what exactly does that mean? It means that if you're making a video about chiropractor, dentist, or carpet cleaning in this case, then you would put something like, I also noticed that you're not ranking on YouTube for carpet cleaning, Lehigh Acres, or I don't know, any type of city that you can think of. Now, I believe you're missing out on quality targeted potential traffic since YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. That's just letting them know that if they have a video on YouTube that's ranking really well, they can actually get more traffic. For a small fee, I can make you a custom professional video for your business using professional graphics and music and ranking for a local business category plus city. Let me know if you're interested. I'm sure it would boost your branding online even more. Again, I'm not actually trying to say, hey, I'm going to charge you $1,000 per month for this. I'm simply letting them know that I can create an even more professional custom video for them. And not only that, I can actually rank on YouTube for that video. Now, after this, the response actually varies. This is where most people would say, hey, it sounds like a good idea. What type of video can you make? If you have an example that you already created using the software, you can send them an example of that video. Or you can say something like, I can make you a custom video, 2 minutes long. I can upload the video on YouTube. I can optimize and make sure that it gets on the first page of YouTube. And this is where you can actually charge based on what you want to charge. In this case, the video creation process, you can charge $200 for just simply creating the custom video. You create the video. It'll take you perhaps 30 minutes to make using, in this case, a software. Or if you don't have the software, you can also go on Fiverr.com and you can hire someone to create a simple, simple 2-minute video. It'll cost you $10 to $15 to make. There's a lot of people in Fiverr that can do that for you. In this case, I like to use the software because I can make as many videos as I want it. I would say, okay, so I can create a custom video for you. This is an example of how the video would actually look like. I can add your logo, your business name. I can add, more information about the services that you offer, and I can do all this for you. And this is going to cost you $150, $200, $250, whatever it is that you want to charge. Now, time frame to make this video, 3 to 5 days. Now you can say that just to add value to your work, meaning that if you say you can, I can have this done in 2 hours, then they can say, hey, maybe this is not worth the $200. But if you say, you know, this is 3 to 5 days, then that means you're taking the time to make sure that it's actually a quality video. Now, they don't know that it takes you 30 minutes to make the video. That's the whole point. Now, the video SEO part, there's different ways that you can do this. You can say, I'm going to charge you $25 per month for simply having the video. Once I actually have the video, I actually upload it to my YouTube channel, and the video is going to be optimized for your business name and your city. So whenever one searches on YouTube for that specific term, the video will actually pop up. In most cases, there's very little competition on YouTube for a specific niche plus the city name. So ranking on the first page of YouTube is going to be super simple to do. So you can charge separately for that. You can charge a monthly fee, $25, $50 per month if you want, or more. Or you can simply include it in the whole package. You could do $250 for the whole thing, which is creating the video and ranking the video. The reason why you want to do a monthly fee is because if you have, let's say, 10 customers over a month paying $25 per month, you know, that's an extra $250 per month residually that you're making for something that took you 30 minutes to make. So just keep that in mind. Or you can do the whole, you know, one-time fee if you wanted to. Most likely what I used to do is I would actually charge them for creating the video first, which was using PayPal. I would send them a link and say, hey, just pay here. I will create the video, and then I will create a second invoice, which was a monthly invoice for that specific SEO of that video. So you can see this was one of the videos that I created. It was a carpet cleaning, and I would create the video and say, this is your video. It's ranking on the first page of YouTube. Most business owners were actually happy to work with me because I was actually offering them something that they didn't know how to jump into. They, you know, were not interested or didn't know how the video creation process would work. So it was a simple little way to make money. Now, you might not get rich doing this, but if you're looking to make a few extra $100 per month, $1,000 per month or more, this can definitely work because you don't have to be necessarily in that local city to do this for a business. You can do this from anywhere, and you can probably find millions and millions of businesses and niches that you can jump into and do this for. So that's my method. I hope that you enjoy this explanation of how this method actually works, and I'm going to put a link to everything in the description, including the actual software that I use and the method. If you need to watch this video all over again, feel free to do that, and hopefully you enjoy this video and you see value on what I'm trying to teach you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.